welcome back to Gapey's Grow Room. So here I thought I was done starting peppers, but I came across a pepper in a can challenge on Facebook and also on MeWe, and I thought I had to give it a try. So I've never grown peppers in a can or anything in a can. The requirement is they have to be 12-ounce cans, which is perfect for beer cans, or in my case I'm using cider, hard cider cans. So I've got one called Bad Granny. I've got one from Two Towns Cider House, and then I've got a Teton Cider Works. So I'm going to be using these for my challenge here, and we've already got the tops cut off, and we have a trick. So actually these, some people use a can opener, but the can opener that we have doesn't get down deep enough to remove the top. So I'm going to show you what we did. And then also what we did is put some holes in the bottom of the can. So we've got one in the middle and then 4 on the outside bottom. And that should be good enough for drainage. And I'll show you how we did that. Alright, so what peppers am I going to grow in a can? So I've got 3 peppers that I probably would never grow any other way, and nothing that I ever thought I would grow. So we've got some, let's see, we'll do an ornamental here. So this one is called Hot Pot Purple. So I don't really grow ornamental peppers, but this is a pepper that is good for containers that I got from Vince Chan. So I thought that would be a great one to grow in a can. And then we also have mini red bell pepper. And that's one I got from the Super Duper Seed Swap back in 2017 from an unknown Instagrammer. And then I've also got Apache, which is supposed to be a pretty hot one, I think close to habanero level, from Chris Bransdahl of Mount MTN Garden. So those are the 3 varieties that I'm going to be growing. I'm going to put a couple of seeds in each can, just in hopes that they germinate, since I don't normally germinate peppers this way. So the rules are you have to start the seeds in the can. So let's go. Alright, so I'm going to be using Dirt Martini potting soil, and I've already moistened it up with some warm water. So I'm going to get my gloves on and fill up a can. Actually, I'm going to put just a little bit in the bottom. And then what I'm going to do is add a little bit of this trifecta fertilizer to the bottom. So I'm only adding the trifecta fertilizer to the bottom of the can because the seedlings don't really need that much fertilizer, and there is a little bit already in the potting soil. So by the time the roots get deep enough to reach the fertilizer, it should be able to utilize that and grow nice and big. We're going to fill up the rest of the can with the potting soil. So we're going to plant the Hot Pot Purple seeds in the first can. And I'm just going to do 3 seeds, and hopefully at least one of them germinates. And I'm going to plant them about a ½ inch deep. And then cover them up with the potting mix. And we can't forget our label. Alright. Next we're going to cover the top with some saran wrap, and that'll keep the moisture in so it doesn't get dried out. And the first one's done. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get these set on a heat mat, and hopefully we'll have some germination in the next week or so. I'll be sure to post an update on how this little experiment is going. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon.